Before we dive in, let me show you a sample of the kind of video we're going to be creating today.
Oluwatos, Oluwatos, the Jesus that I know is enough for me. Oluwatos, Oluwatos, the Jesus that I know is enough for me.
Ready? Let's get started. Step 1. AI avatar creation, or design. To create your avatar, we'll use ChatGPT. Go to ChatGPT. From here, start a new chat and then click the plus button down here to upload your reference image. You can use your personal photo or pick any image you want from online. Once you upload your image, here's the exact prompt you need to enter. Rendered in 3D Pixar-style cartoon, ultra-detailed with smooth textures, vibrant colors, and playful energy. 8K resolution, 9:16 aspect ratio. Once you've entered the prompt in the text box here, hit send and ChatGPT will give you a detailed prompt you can use to generate the image. Here's the prompt I got. Now let's go ahead and generate the image by typing "Generate the image for me." Wait for a few minutes for your image to generate. After a while, here is my image. You can see how beautiful and shining the image is. You can adjust the details to change her outfit or the location. For instance, I asked ChatGPT to place her on a church stage holding a microphone while singing. And voila, here's the image ChatGPT generated for me. Once you're happy with the image, hit the download button to save it. Step 2. Animating the image to video. Here, we'll animate the image that we created from ChatGPT using Kling AI. I'll leave the link to this website in the description below. When you're on the site, click on Video from the left-hand side here, and then choose Image to Video. After that, click here to upload the image you just generated. From this prompt area, you need to type in what you want the image to do. For example, singing, dancing, or anything. But let me show you how to get a good prompt for your image. Now, let's go back to ChatGPT and get a prompt describing what the image is doing. Ask ChatGPT to give you the exact image prompt it generated for you. And here is my image prompt, but we're going to copy only the action of what the person in the image is doing, which is singing. Here is what I will copy. A young African-American woman standing confidently on a church stage holding a black wired microphone while singing. Copy this prompt and go back to Kling AI, right-click here and paste it in. Scroll down and turn off the sound effect if it is on, and come down in the negative prompt section, include no hand distortion, smooth video. After that, choose the duration of your video, 5 seconds or 10 seconds. Once you've made all your selections, click Generate. After a few seconds, your video will be ready. Take a preview of your video. You can click Download once you're satisfied with the result. Step 3. Creating lip syncing for your video. To sync the audio with the lips, head over to TikTok and download the video that has the music you want to use. Once you've downloaded the video, come to this website, Dreamface. Link in the video description below. You'll need to sign in with your Gmail account. From here, click on Avatar Video, and then click on Photo, Videos, upload the video you created from Kling AI. After uploading your video, click here to upload the video you downloaded from TikTok. If you're using the free version, you'll get a 30-second audio limit, but with the paid version, you can go up to 3 minutes. You can use this trimming option to trim down your audio if it is more than 30 seconds. Once everything is ready, come down here and hit Generate. Wait for a few seconds and your video will be generated with perfect lip syncing. Before we take a look at our final video, if you've made it this far, say AI Avatar in the comment section below, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to stay updated on my upcoming videos. If you want a private class where I walk you through this entire process in more detail, I've left a link to my course in the comments. Here is our video result from Dreamface.
Oluwatos, Oluwatos, the Jesus that I know is enough for me. Oluwatos, Oluwatos, the Jesus that I know is enough for me.
Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.